Orange is on fire. There's the, about a mile that way, you could see all the people evacuating their horses up the street. So we are also in the evacuation zone, and the smoke's coming pretty heavy now, and the wind is blowing right at us. So it's really warm air. Power's out too. There's our heroes.
Goodbye, LA. I'll see you soon. Goodbye, LA.
What follows is a brief construction montage.
I'm not really happy to be back here, but at the body shop, let's go see what's been done on Genevieve. 2 weeks to deadline. Nada.
David,
What's the news?
what's up, man?
Okay.
Not much, man. We're about to jump on it right now. Did you see the truck leaving when you were leaving? The paddle truck? It's out of here. So, we got 2 weeks to finish it. We're gonna do it in 2 weeks.
Just don't rush.
Oh, don't worry. But now that I got you here, I've been meaning to show you this, bro. Just for future references, when you sandblast the car, put your hand through here and you'll feel all the waves now from the sandblasting.
Was that from sandblasting?
Yeah.
I feel just a little bumpy
No,
here,
that,
but
if you feel the doors, the hood,
yeah.
everything's like that. All over. Like the roof. Everywhere they sandblasted it is wavy. Because I remember when I went to go look at it originally, before the sandblasting.
No, when you saw it was back at my house.
Was it?
After blasting. So it was all bare metal and you could
It
see
was-
all the
yeah, that's-
holes and everything.
So next time, don't have them sandblasted.
Okay.
Maybe if you want to sandblast it, just do like jams, where it's the metal sticker, like where it's gonna take longer to prep. Because now,
So it gets real hot.
yeah, it gets real hot and it warps it, even with water. So there's really nothing you can do to stop it. It's just the metal's so thin, the sand just totally warps it.
Okay.
So next time you just want to do your jams underneath the car, don't really matter.
Right.
Window edges like that, that's fine. But as far as like your big panels, quarter panels, doors, roof, hood,
Okay.
just a word for the next one.
Yeah.
346 minutes later.
It's my birthday. I'm taking a hike and here's a tree with my name and the year I was born. Oh, I shouldn't tell people that online. You don't need to know how old I am. Yeah, but
With 3 guys on here, you figure one guy on the hood, one guy on the door, one guy on the door.
yeah, and then who's doing the body work?
Everybody.
Are you doing that?
Everybody. Even including me.
You still have the list that we made?
Yep.
Cool. Yeah, no, it looks good. I mean,
Actually, you still got that much. Feel the difference, bro. You feel that? You feel that.
this is real.
It takes
That's beautiful.
It takes a long time to do that.
What grit do you use for this? Like 400?
36.
36? Oh,
Mhm.
oh shoot.
So you're taking it.
I guess you have to go in stages, right?
Yeah, and then what you're doing is you're leaving. See these cuts in here?
I see the swim marks. Yeah.
Those.
They'll show.
That's what's gonna your light skimmer bundle's gonna stick to.
Oh, I see.
So if you stick it to
cool.
something really smooth, like see that little shiny part.
Yeah, it'll come off later.
So you got to make sure that everything has a little bit of texture to it.
Do you have to skin the whole car for it?
It's $80 a gallon. That's $80 right there.
How many gallons do you need for this car?
Probably like 2.
Yeah.
Once like the bundle starts going on there, you'll see it in sections. You'll be like, what we'll do is we'll probably do the front, roof, back, and doors.
Okay. I'll come by to take pictures.
So it'll be
for my
like-
guy, so he feels.
So it kind of like stages, and then like all this
So
stuff.
this is cool. It's like the shiny part versus just the raw sandblasted part. Like this is, I mean, everywhere,
difference, huh?
everywhere you guys went in there with the sander.
Yeah, so that's how it's got to get done. Like, it's
I-
cool to sandblast it. I mean, it saves time, but in all actuality, you're gonna have to do this to it anyway, so it's kind of double the work.
That really sucks. Wish I had known.
Or you know what's even simpler is you get aircraft paint remover and you put that, and
Burn
then
through your clothes, man.
yeah, it'll burn through your skin if you.
Yeah.
4 to 6 weeks later.
It's November 7th. I was hoping to be out of here 6 days ago, but the body shop that has Genevieve, you know, excuses, stories, whatever you want to call it, reasons, but it's almost ready, and right now I am on my way. It's Wednesday, and they said they would have it finished Sunday, but then again they said they'd have it started 6 months ago. But they're making good progress. Let's go check it out, and as soon as this car is finished, I'm heading out to California. I need to basically stay because it's worth it to me and the project to ensure quality on this painting and all the metal work that we're doing and repairs. It's very important that they do their job right, so I don't have to have them redo it later. Be a bit of a gamble.
1 minute, 37 seconds later. Buenos dias. Where's everybody? Oh, look at you, look at you. Getting a little bit of work done, eh? Wow. All right. You guys are doing good. A couple days to deadline. Oh, I gotta pull those brake lines out. Yep. Let me come back with some tools tomorrow. Oh, looking good, looking good. Several days later.
Sir,
What's that? It's almost the same color as this paper. Wow. Dude, that's hilarious. Look at that. That's beautiful.
so we'll start painting all the little pieces, and then we'll probably paint the door jambs and the black right away, and then the outside after. It still has pretty much, we got this door, maybe like another skin.
Yeah.
I'm figuring today's Tuesday. We'll start painting all the little stuff. The rest of the car should be in primer by tomorrow.
All right.
And then we'll paint Thursday and Friday. And we'll probably be out of here by Saturday.
Yeah, it's only a week.
Crossing our fingers. Yeah, not too bad though.
16 paranoia-filled days later.
Flying 20 hours never felt so right. They say I get better as the days go by. I'm just tryna be the go. Used to see them walk by. Get ready for this life. All I see is winning. Everybody start to fuck with me, cause they feeling like I'm finna go down as an OG. Flame low key on the top of the dictionary.
Well, we're trying to get it done for everybody.
Guaranteeing that you're always gonna think I'm on speed.
California.
Tomorrow for sure.
It's ready.
That's good. I like that.
The same thing.
Yeah. It's perfect.
Do you want it the clean in there or?
Yeah, we're gonna do the underbody, the PR15.
Yeah.
That one.
Sí, lo va a querer pintado. Entonces, ella lo elijo ya también por dentro de uno.
Okay, I'll come by in a little bit.
Okay,
You guys, are you hungry? You want anything while I'm out?
No, thank you.
All right. It's nice of them to open the gate for me. That's my excited face. I just love seeing things get done, you know? Or get finished, I suppose is the word.
5 hours later.
I just finished a run, and now I need protein.
3,000 whoop-whoos later. very, very important. This panel is it's brand new. It's a front nose piece. Got it from VP. Those guys are great. VP Auto Parts. And there's that front opening there. It's very important for water to drain because that's the big reason why they rust out. There's no drainage.
We hope you enjoyed this brief construction montage.
Cool little feature on the XC60. There's a lock. Nice. If you need it, battery goes dead. Oh, I haven't seen this color before.
Really?